So there's gonna be a TV.
TV, 2 whiteboards. It's gonna be, tomorrow we're gonna go buy a big ass, what do they call, boardroom tables. Well, it's gonna be a massive boardroom table from literally where you're standing all the way to where the TV is. Fireplace right here. You know, more lights. Nightclub to be looking work.
That's sick.
Bottle streamers. James, insert James' video right here. I'll send it to you. As you can tell, the house is a bit of a zoo right now. The final pieces to the home automation are going in right now with the blinds, because I'm sure you've seen the amount of windows this house has. Short week for me this week because I'll be in LA, so we'll be down at a mastermind down there, learning, adding more knowledge to myself and Matt, and then got some meetings with some big companies down in LA, ones that you guys would recognize pretty easily. I'll probably vlog on my phone or something when we're there, and if I am allowed to share it, we'll put it in here. Let's just say it involves a lot of very, very well-known artists, music artists. Maybe if you can take a guess, put it in the comments, and if I give you a answer back, that's the company. But no, other than that, the team's working. I'm not sure yesterday, did we get Sean on anything? I don't know if we got Sean on anything.
A little bit, yeah.
We're potentially bringing on another media bar as we're scaling. So yeah, we brought Sean on yesterday. You guys saw them in the vlog. He's gonna be potentially bringing a new media buyer. We're actually meeting another media buyer in LA this weekend to help bring some of the e-com clients that we're gonna be working with, some big brands in the e-com space. The next few months, I'm gonna try and create as much fucking content as possible with the help of Miguel. And the reason being, I was just in New York, I'm going to LA, come home for 2 weeks, then we're going to Houston, then we're going to Salt Lake City, then we're going potentially on an international trip, then we go back to Houston, then we go to Mexico. So, and that's all between now and the middle of January. Not counting anything we do locally, not counting any the Christmas party stuff that we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing an epic Christmas party, Canucks games that we're going to take the team to. There's going to be a lot this fall going into Q1. So hope you guys enjoy the vlogs and enjoy the content, guys, because there's a lot of shit coming, a lot of behind the scenes stuff that most agencies won't show you, and that's kind of what I want to start doing. Even though it's mundane, it's kind of cool because you guys get to see what it actually takes. Because the team usually sees it, but from my end, it's I just know what we need to do. But with Miguel's help, he makes it look cool. So let's see what else we got going on today.
What do you think of this new setup, Rohan?
Well, let's see how long this lasts for. At the rate we're going right now, probably not long, but we'll see. But it's sick. I think it's different. It's gonna be cool. Essentially what we're doing is we're pulling that table and we're gonna rotate it and put it right here. So it'll be this way, right?
So where are they gonna, you're gonna sit here? Basically?
So you're gonna have one person here and one person here. On these two sides, right?
What about sound from out?
Yeah, so I'm getting sound deadening. Wrap this section, right? And then we're gonna put a shelf here. So I've already sourced out the shelf that'll fit in between these two. And then we're gonna get iconic frames that go around it.
We should order a ton of fake trophies.
Oh, we're getting essentially. And when the podcast is on, we're gonna rotate that TV right here. Okay. So it's gonna be here, and then right. So you're gonna get the two people talking, and all this shit is gonna get decorated, right, to a full setup. And then when we need to do like any other recording, not the podcast, all we do is we pick the camera up from here, rotate it right here, plop, move the TV from there because it's rollable into the corner.
Jeez.
Yeah, so it'll stream.
Like a vehicle.
It'll pull 4K. Goodies. That's gonna make me look even better. Oh baby. Alright.
Oh.
Lots of thousands of dollars. Come boys. Let's switch.
New things.
For the ting-tings.
This is what you call the tourist strap. That's what this is.
Multi-7, multi-8, and almost one of our clients is on borderline of 9 figures. The operations framework that we've been able to implement through multiple different companies, setting up your business for success. Now, I want to ask you, let's get you started. Let's get you into the community.
You didn't download the book off of. What is the goal? The goal is for this person seeing this ad is to buy a book.
Like, you're literally scolding your son.
Like, we've helped thousands of businesses. Join us at Digital Expert at cut. Okay, what I want to do. It's like a dog. Hey you, hold on, stop right there. How many books have you bought that is not giving you the knowledge that you want to learn? Do you want to learn how to become a digital expert? Taught by people that have been in this industry and mastered the art of digital media buying, funnels, sales, everything that comes with it. Well, guess what? This book right here that we're going to be giving to you for free. All you need to do is wherever you see this ad, click on the ad because we're going to give you this book for free. So if you are ready to change your life and want to become a digital expert, click the ad right now. Click it right now. Someone just asked me on the team, did I ever imagine having an office or a team like this? When I got started in building the agency more than a few years ago, I didn't think so because I thought it was just going to be me and my computer and my dog when I was living at my mom's house because my dog was there. But then at that point in time, I started to gain a lot of momentum, get my business partner involved, get contractors involved, and we started to build a small team. Eventually, when you keep chipping away at something, you get really damn good at what you're doing, you end up exponentially building a business. And that is what we've ended up today. And now the way I look at it and setting goals is we've obviously got the team here. This is just the interim transition office to what will end up being probably Q1 of next year in a legitimate office once we start sourcing that. I think we went from me, Matt, Rob, to me, Matt, Rob, Rohit, to me, Matt, Rob, Rohit, Jeff. And then in the last 6 months, we've added, I think 6 new people. And that's just literally the compounded effect and effort of what we've put into. So as you can see throughout the vlog that you guys have already seen, this room, if you've seen the house video, click this. If you haven't seen this house video before, click this. So this is pretty much what I was telling you yesterday that we're going to turn into the office. This entire area, it's going to be pretty savage. Daily will be 5. And then at any given time, there'll be, if we do our half a year meetings, probably be like I said, 15, 20 like we did last time. And then as the team grows, I think we'll end up at 7 or 8 daily eventually before we get kicked out of here and have to get an office. Living in something like this has always been a dream. Link right here and go watch the house video. Because you can see this entire thing empty, and now you can see this thing transition into what is currently the interim office. Got lots of travel, lots of client travel coming up. I'm not going to ruin what's coming up, so you guys are just going to follow a vlog to figure out what's coming up, because Migs is going to shoot all of it. But in the meantime, I think we've got enough to hire. The only thing left to hire is an executive assistant, which probably should hire. I probably should have hired that 3 years ago, but sometimes you just don't want to give things up. The team that we are now is pretty solid. Big things coming up. We launched digitalexpert.com. Other than that, there's, on the family end of things, there's a lot of fun things coming. We'll probably show that once that's closer to date. The house is coming along, the office is coming along. So we're gonna end this vlog here. For those of you that have liked the transformation of this office, give me what you think, tell me what we should add. If there's anything cool you think we should add, put the links in the description, because maybe if I do like them, I'll go buy them and add it to the office. In the next vlog, what you're gonna see the transformation of what is going to be the full, complete podcast setup. And then once the podcast is done, you guys gotta subscribe to the podcast. So till next time, I will see you in the next vlog.